can you tell me about how it feels to be able to give back to the community?
Man, it's a blessing. My family and I, we've been blessed to be put in a position to give back, and that's what we're here doing. Just giving back and seeing these smiles on people's faces means the world to us.
Yeah.
Man, we out here on this turkey giveaway, man. See what we got in the boatload. Just, giving back to the community. We're gonna be walking up the cars, just handing everybody a turkey. People can get tight sometimes, on money. We're just trying to help everybody out, man. That's all we're doing out here. Hopefully, we're looking for a big turnout, bigger than what we did the past 2 years. This year 3. So yeah, man, ain't nothing to it, man. Man, just a little bit of adversity, man. They ain't trying to see us win. We'll see how many we can get, though. Hopefully they ain't being stingy like the rest of these food lines.
There is one palm here. That might be.
Yes, sir. We finally got a good load in, man. First load in, first load in. You see it, U-Haul, U-Haul, U-Haul. Nigga got in the truck for what? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got them boys working today. It's raining out here. Let's get it. So what? Man, if you want to. What's that say? Are we good for right now, man? Boy, looking out. Stingy again, man. We gotta go all the way to Havelock. We in Jacksonville, North Carolina. Havelock is like 45 minutes from here, so we gotta drive all the way out there. So let's spend this money on. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right. Nice little workout. Let me see. Y'all get it in. Let me see that curl right quick. Let me see that curl. One hand, full curl. Curl in one hand. Let me see, Lil. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. Okay, he getting 2. Ooh, he getting 2. Okay. Yeah, man, we getting through it today. She double tongue with it. That's what I like to see. Yeah, as many as I can get. I'm trying to spend at least 1,000. Yes, ma'am. Mic check 1 2 3. Mic check 1 2 3. I got my full face in it. Yeah, man, we getting to it, man. Been blessed. We found a good deal here at Aldi. Shout out to the biggest, man. He looked out for us this year. Finna bless these wonderful people. Bro. Yeah, man. Just getting to it. It's a vlog too, so you about to see everything, all the behind the scenes, everything, man. We get it in by the boatload. Got them boys working hard. You don't need to get in there. Just throw them in there. See how easy that is? Got them boys. Oh. Got them boys working. Yes, sirski. For the community. DJX 11. You gonna subscribe? That's what I'm talking about. Come on, man. It's for the kids, man. You see bro smile on his face? Face got red. Switch you and JJ's. Oh, hey man, we selling turkeys and badass kids. Hey, come get you a badass kid. Look at them. Come on. In here packed like some sardines. Little money up front. Epiphany driving.
Over the speed limit. Turn this up. Why are you so close to the steering wheel?
Why are you worried about what I'm doing?
Don't do that.
Do it.
Yeah, ooh, don't do that.
That wasn't me.
Smell that damn breath.
That was them, bro. Bro, get your shoulder out my back.
Woo! Do that. Do that. Woo!
You decided not.
My camera fogged up.
Hey, stop moving, bro.
Got shot on FaceTime.
I'm sorry, but I couldn't. Scoot on, my sister scooted.
See if it's deep out here. No, man. Just pulled up to the scenery. Last year, it was a long line. I don't think it's gonna be a long line now with all this rain.
You serious about if we don't sell over, we gotta go to houses? You serious? We gotta go to houses? Yeah, back to.
For you? I'm doing well. Yourself? You doing good? We're gonna be starting at 4, okay? Yes, ma'am. 4 o'clock. Hello. Thank you for coming. It's one per car. Here you are, ma'am. Happy Thanksgiving, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. You take care.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. You take care, okay?
Yes.
Happy Thanksgiving. You guys take care. Huh? If you want to wait till we get everybody, we can give you an extra one.
Well, I don't want to hold up everybody. You got a long line there?
Yeah, it is a long line, but if you want to wait, I can give you an extra one.
My daughter might be one, but I don't want to be a big, because I appreciate what you
Nah, it's fine. We got more than enough for everybody.
might just pull up further out of the way then.
Okay, yeah. That's fine, boss. No problem. You take care. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you for coming out.
Okay, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving, boss.
I was peeing for you. I'm gonna give you that.
Thank you so much.
Bless you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You have a good Thanksgiving, okay? What's going on, man? What's going on? Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, sir. Good. Yeah, you good. You cute, boy. Yeah. No problem. All right, boss. You already get one? No, you good. This you?
Yeah, I'm from New York. My house just burned down. That's why I'm down here.
Right.
The truck burned down and stuff.
Right.
But, anything I could do to help your cause, I appreciate it, bro.
All right, yeah, no problem. Happy
All right,
Thanksgiving,
thank you,
man. Yes, sir. What up, my boy?
Good.
Been good. How are you? Here you go. You have a good Thanksgiving, okay?
Thank you, bro.
You want it on the floor or
Right here.
right here? We got the one out here, the biggest. Say what's up. Say what's up to the camera. He want that brand new today. What's going on, man? Trying to take that hoodie off. That's my name. Yes, man. Where you wanted at? Yes, ma'am. Can you unlock the door? No problem. You all enjoy your Thanksgiving, okay? This was all that's left, man, at a 115. And we got the shelter with it. We're just gonna get the rest to the homeless shelter or the soup kitchen. Yes, sir. We probably have to make another trip.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, y'all trying to make one trip?
You better all just.
You got another cart? There's some more out there.
I spoke with one woman who got a turkey. She tells me her family was struggling to find one and the giveaway was a big surprise.
This really helps because, I didn't even know about it. So yes, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much.